Some Mac apps I regret not using sooner. So let's get started. The first one here is Raycast. Raycast is a productivity app for macOS that enhances your workflow by providing quick access to various tasks, tools, and integrations right from your menu bar. So Raycast is designed to streamline your workflow and improve productivity by centralizing access to tools and actions directly from your macOS menu bar. It is particularly useful for users who frequently perform tasks across various applications and platforms and prefer a unified interface for efficiency. Now, the other one is PopClip app. PopClip is a handy utility app for macOS that enhances your productivity by providing instant access to actions when you select text. So, PopClip is a useful tool for macOS users who want to streamline text manipulation tasks and enhance their productivity with quick access to essential actions right where they need them next to selected text. Now, the third one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT purpose is to assist with a wide range of queries, provide information, engage in conversation on various topics, and help users with tasks or questions they might have. Whether it's explaining concepts, offering advice, or just having a friendly chat, ChatGPT helps based on the information. They have been trained on up until January 2022. On fourth, we have SelfControl app. The SelfControl app is a popular productivity tool for macOS designed to help users stay focused by blocking distracting websites. So, self-control is particularly useful for students, writers, programmers, and anyone who needs to concentrate on their work without succumbing to the lure of social media, news website, or other distractions online. It's available for download from its official website or various trusted software repositories. On fifth, we have System Color Picker app. So the System Color Picker on macOS refers to the default color picker tool that is integrated into the operating system and accessible from various applications. The System Color Picker in macOS is versatile and integrated into various applications, making it easy to choose and manage colors for your documents, designs, and other projects. Now, the sixth one is Monitor Control app. A monitor control app for macOS typically helps you manage and adjust your external monitor settings and configurations. So this app can significantly enhance your productivity and comfort by providing easy access to monitor settings and adjustment directly from your macOS environment. Now on 7th, we have Sleeve for Spotify app. Sleeve integrates with your favorite music apps, Apple Music, Spotify, and Doppler to display your currently playing track and let you control playback. Lastly, we have ImageOptim. ImageOptim is a popular app for macOS that optimizes image to reduce their file size without compromising quality. ImageOptim is particularly useful for web developers, graphic designers, photographers, and anyone who needs to optimize image for web publishing, reducing bandwidth usage, and improving website performances. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.